set up in kind of the same area I was the other night when those doe and two fawns came out. But this is right in through here, out of that pasture, and in through here is where they walked. They came through here, through these trees, and out in the woods, so I'll have a 25-yard shot if they do that again. Probably won't. I probably won't see a deer, but you never know. I left the house. I forgot my climber. So I turned around, went back, got that. Got down here, got parked, and realized I forgot my boots. So I'm hunting in these. So I'm not real high in the tree because you have to put your foot, in my climber, you have to put your foot between two bars. And I'm basically in bare feet, so it hurt to pull the bottom part up. But where I'm sitting, I should be alright. I got a bunch of cover in front of me. Got some open lanes right there, so I don't need to be high sitting right here. But it's about 5 o'clock, so got an hour and 40 minutes or something. We'll see what happens. It's a real quiet night. We got some rain yesterday, so the woods have quieted down some, but I'll definitely be able to see them coming. So, should be good. Hopefully they do the same thing they did the other night. But the wind's good right now, so we'll see what happens. That's a wrap on tonight's hunt. I saw a bear, couple glimpses of it, walked up behind me. I think it's the one that messed with my camera because it was headed right towards that area. Obviously no shot at it. I just caught a couple glimpses. I tried to get it, zoom the camera in on it, but I don't think I got anything. I'll have to look when I get home, but yeah. That's 4 hunts this season. I've seen big game animals 3 of those 4 hunts, so having a good time, seeing some wildlife, and there's always tomorrow.